Presenting the Jeep 2020 Renegade Altitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, black clear coat, connectivity, bridge solution, global telematics box module, TBM, quick order package 2XM altitude included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic leather-wrapped steering wheel gloss black exterior accents exterior mirrors with supplemental signals vinyl door trim panel black accent stitching altitude package, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, engine, 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our